Hello friends, welcome back to 6SK24 as an initiative of Bhadra Academy. So guys, today I am going to discuss a very important topic from your current affairs section. So on 23rd August, that day is important for us because our government have celebrated a very important day in India, that is your National Space Day. So 23rd August, recently the Government of India have celebrated its first National Space Day on 23rd of August. So can you see it is called as the first Space Day in India. So that is why it becomes important for you guys to know what is that first National Space Day celebrated in India on 23rd of August and why this date is selected. That is also important. So see, National Space Day is celebrated 23rd August because it marks the date of the successful launching of Chandrayaan-3 mission by Indian Space Research Organization. So we all know that last year in 2023 on 23rd August ISRO have launched this your Chandrayaan-3 mission and it was successful, means the mission was successful in doing the soft landing on the south pole of the moon. Okay, so India became the fourth country in all over the world to do the soft landing on the south pole of the moon and the first country to do it on the south pole of the moon. What does that mean? 2 points are there here to notice, that India became the fourth country to do the soft landing on the moon and first country in the whole world to do that soft landing on the south pole. Okay, the other four countries are your Russia, China, USA. India became the fourth and now one more country is added here, that is your Japan. So Japan has become the fifth country to do the soft landing on the moon. So for you guys it's important that India is the fourth country to do the soft landing on the moon, and next important point is that India is the first country to do the soft landing on the south pole of the moon. Okay, these 2 points are very important. Okay, now let's come back to the current affairs section के 23rd August को ये डे हम लोगों ने for the very first time National Space Day बोल के celebrate किया है. Okay, and of course when it becomes a very important day, the theme also becomes important. Okay, so you should know the theme also. Touching lives with touching the moon, India's space saga. Saga means era, you can say, and the theme is also very attractive for India, that is your touching lives while touching the moon, India's space saga. This is the theme of the first National Space Day that is celebrated on 23rd of August. And I told you the importance of this date and उस दिन में क्या हुआ था and that was successful. So अब Chandrayaan-3 हम लोग बोल रहे, so that's also important कि आप Chandrayaan-1 और Chandrayaan-2 के बारे में जानो. Next slides में हम लोग बोलेंगे, but यहाँ पे you should also know कि why there are so many space exploration missions are going on, why countries are trying to explore the space. See, there are 5 things which is called as global commons. Okay, global common का definition क्या है? What is the definition of global common? There are 5 things that we call as global common. Global commons. अभी global commons क्या है? I will explain, but यहाँ पे 5 चीजें आती है. Okay, that is your high seas, deep ocean bed, then your atmosphere, next is your outer space, next is your Antarctic wala region, So see, here there are 5 things I have mentioned. One is your high seas, another is your deep ocean, then atmosphere, outer space and Antarctic region. This 5 are considered as a global common. Why? Because यहाँ पे कोई भी country अपना extreme या exclusive control claim नहीं कर सकते. यहाँ पे everyone is free to do the research related activities. हम लोग देखते रहते हैं ना, Antarctic में हम लोगों का मिशन चल रहा है, research station है. Okay, जैसे हम लोगों का भारती है, ये सब हम लोगों का रिसर्च स्टेशन. द अदर कंट्रीज कैन ऑल्सो लॉन्च देयर रिसर्च स्टेशन इन दिस एरियाज एंड दैट इज व्हाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज ग्लोबल कॉमन. मतलब कंट्रीज कैन नॉट क्लेम देयर ओनरशिप और एक्सक्लूसिव कंट्रोल ओवर दिस एरियाज. सो यहाँ पे ही एक चीज क्या आता है हम लोगों का आउटर स्पेस. ओके, सो आउटर स्पेस में इतना सारा अभी जो एक्सप्लोरेशन चल रहा है, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट बिकॉज स्पेस प्लेज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल इन आवर प्रेजेंट डे ऑल्सो एंड इन आवर फ्यूचर ऑल्सो. we all know that space plays a very important role. What is the role of space in our life? Like future generation के लिए अगर हम लोग we need to know that if there is a possibility for a parallel universe, if there is a possibility of life in another planet, or if there is a possibility of finding water and the other important gases or minerals for the survival of humanity, because climate change is going on and there are so many probabilities of natural disaster. We all have practiced such kind of disasters, like the frequent occurring of floods, the frequent occurring of earthquake, the frequent occurring of tsunamis, the frequent occurring of droughts. These are some of the natural calamities that are actually challenging the humanity. That is why, see guys, so it is very important to go for this extra, terrestrial reason में exploration, because if it is going to challenge the humanity तो फिर survival के लिए और एक universe मिलेगा या नहीं. बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. Space plays a very important role. Plus communication system like GPS, you can say, वो भी तो चलता है. It's very important in our today's world. Okay, navigation and all that is also important. I mean your communication system, for example your GPS. So these are some of the reason why the countries have are more interested, are more into in the space exploration mission. Okay, so now I told you, okay, 23rd August is celebrated as a National Sports Day because it commemorates the day when we have launched successfully the Chandrayaan-3 mission last year, that is 2023. Okay, with the launch of Chandrayaan-3 in 2023, I already told this, I have already explained this point, that India became the 4th country in the world to do this and first country to reach the southern region of the moon. मतलब South Pole में first country होगा. Okay, यहाँ पे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं. उन्होंने मतलब हम लोगों का जो mission है, it will explore the South Pole, possibilities of water, presence of water, because Chandrayaan-1 when it was launched from India, then they have actually found these experiments and all, okay, there is a presence of water and other important minerals in the South Pole, and that is why the Chandrayaan-3 is a follow-up mission of Chandrayaan-1 and Chandrayaan-2. Okay, next slide में हम लोग देखेंगे थोड़ा सा background. Chandrayaan-1 mission क्या था और Chandrayaan-2 mission क्या था. So Chandrayaan-1 mission, it was launched long back in 2008, not a failure, it was successful because this actually mission have confirmed the presence of water and oxygen and some important minerals in the moon में important minerals are found, especially oxygen and water. That is, the presence of oxygen water makes this mission very important. Okay, the source of water is very important for us. Okay, so this was your Chandrayaan-1 mission. I've also given here Chandrayaan-2. The date is 22nd July 2019. This mission was also launched. There was a lander, there was a rover. Lander was your Vikram lander and rover was your Pragyan rover. But it is said, unfortunately, it was half successful or partially this mission was successful because unfortunately the Vikram lander was crashed. Okay, Vikram lander was crashed. Due to that, this mission was partially successful, but it was not a failure. Okay, do not say that Chandrayaan-2 was a failure. It was a partially successful mission for us because Chandrayaan-3 is a follow-up mission. Okay, now see guys, when you see a news in the current affairs, when you see the things about your background, like I have said here Chandrayaan-3. Now you will see the background of the news. 23rd August is celebrated as National Space Day, and this year becomes important because it is for the first time we are celebrating, right? And that is why you should know the background. Chandrayaan-1 mission, Chandrayaan-2 mission and Chandrayaan-3 mission also. Okay, जो कि 2023 में 23rd August में launch किया गया था, and this marks the successful day of launching this on the south pole of the moon. That is why 23rd August is celebrated. So from this year it will be celebrated like this as National Space Day. So that's all for today guys. These are some of the important points of your Chandrayaan mission, that is the lunar exploration mission, and why space has become so important for the countries to do this exploration and all in our today's life and in our future life also. Space exploration missions are very important. Okay, so for any updates or for any other queries, you can contact our number, or for any current affairs topic, follow our channel and subscribe our channel and do like and share. Thank you very much.